My name's Britt. I'm one of the registered dietitians at the UNC Wellness Center. Today we're going to make some granola. First thing we're going to do is do about, I'm going to make a lot of granola. Just have enough, 7 or 8 cups. I just dump packages together. 2.5 maybe, 2.5 cups of walnut halves. 2/3 cup flaxseed. I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar because you need the sweetness to it sort of helps tie everything together and bind it, because I like this to kind of be sort of chunky in big chunks, and you can almost mix it into Cheerios and other things as well. Another thing that adds sweetness as far as flavor goes is vanilla. 2/3 cup light olive oil. I'm very lazy when I cook. Yes, I could have like one of the liquid measurers to put everything in, but I'm just kind of dumping it in. It's granola. It's so very forgiving. So this is 1/3 cup of honey. By using the oil first, it just comes out clean. I'm not standing there all day trying to get the honey out of the container. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of maple syrup because I really like that. This is that dark maple syrup or robust taste. It used to be considered grade B. Let me go quickly wash my hands. The best way to do this, I think, is just to get in there with your hands and start mixing it up. You can use a spoon, but honestly, you want to get all that, the liquid and the sugar and the nuts and the seeds and everything combined really so that it coats everything. It feels kind of nice too. It's nice therapy right now when you're stuck at home and everybody's going crazy in your house, or they're all on the internet, or they need help on their homework, or you can't find what you need at the grocery store, so we can get a little extra of your aggression out. And a lot of these things you can easily find. Like, you can add more honey instead of maple syrup. You can add a different kind of seed. You can do sunflower seeds. You can do pumpkin seeds. You can add almonds instead of walnuts. On a sheet pan, I'm going to put some parchment paper. And I have to tell you, I buy this in bulk whenever I can because I use this and sheet pans. It is a major staple in my house. Right onto the sheet pan, just like this. I like to take the back of the spoon. I really want to push it down. As you can see here, I'm actually pressing it, not just patting it down. I'm really trying to get it all as packed down as I possibly can. So I do have cranberries, dried cranberries that I'm going to use, but I'm not going to put that on until the end, because if you put it on now, you'll cook them even more, and then they become these really hard, tacky things in your teeth. Pop that in the oven, 300, not 325. And we're going to cook that for about 30 minutes. See you in 30. It's been about 25 minutes since I put it in the oven, and I'm just kind of taking a peek, and oh yeah. As you can kind of see, it's kind of really dark. It's darkened. It's got a nice golden color to it. It smells like you've been baking all day long. This is about 8 ounces of dried cranberries. I like to use cranberries, but you can use whatever fruit you want, and you're just gonna sprinkle it on. And you want to do it when it's hot like this, because then it tends to stick a little bit better. And that's it. I'm gonna let it cool. I'm not gonna touch it. So while this one is cooling on the counter, I just wanted to show you my glass jar really quick of granola. This one's for a gift. I usually do recommend to keep a measure, some type of measure in your container that you keep your granola in, so that you know how much you're eating during the day, because it can sneak up on you if you're not careful. That's how you make granola. Have a great day and stay well.